Hey everybody, it's Ariannitalagringa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach all of you clothing vocabulary. And I think the best place to teach you all clothing vocabulary is at a mall. Today, it's time for me to update my style. So I will walk inside this store called Macy's where they sell a bunch of clothes. And I want to find a new outfit, so I want you guys to help me mix and match and find some pieces. Let's go! Right now, I'm inside the clothing store Macy's, and as I said before, I am looking for an outfit. But what is an outfit? An outfit is a set of clothes you wear together. Right now, I am wearing an outfit. I have a crop top on, I am wearing a skirt, and I have heels. So basically, an outfit is the complete look from head to toe. So to begin the process of picking out an outfit, I need a top, bottoms, and shoes. Right now, I'm in the men's section inside Macy's, so I'm going to look for some tops. Tops are the clothes we wear on the upper part of our bodies. Now let's see if you guys can name these kinds of tops hanging on this clothing rack. What kind of top is this? This is called a t-shirt. T-shirt. It's a classic comfy t-shirt and it has short sleeves. These are sleeves. What kind of top is this? This is called a shirt. Shirt. A shirt can have short sleeves like this one, or it can have long sleeves like this one. And usually a shirt has buttons down the front, and sometimes it has a collar. This is a collar. What kind of shirt is this? This is a polo shirt. Polo shirt because it has a collar. This is a collar. These are polos. They have different colors like yellow, pink, and blue, and these shirts are stacked on top of each other because there are different sizes of shirts. For example, this is a small, and then underneath it you'll find a medium, large, or even extra extra large or XXL. What about you? What's your size? Let me know down below what's your shirt size. Before moving on to the bottoms, can you describe an outfit in English? It's more than just saying jeans and a t-shirt, because in English you can use so many more words. For example, your t-shirt can be a crew neck, a v-neck, or a Henley. That's why it's important to expand your vocabulary so you can be more specific when describing your outfit. And today's sponsor, Preply, is perfect for that because Preply has thousands of native tutors who will help you improve your English vocabulary. You can use filters to narrow your search and find the perfect teacher that fits your budget and busy schedule. Preply will teach you new words to describe any outfit, from casual to chic. Learning English opens up a whole new world of communication, and Preply makes it fun and easy, right? So why not give it a try? You can check out the website down below in the description box. Thanks to Preply for sponsoring this portion of this video. Let's get back to the video. A top you can wear if it gets really cold or chilly is a crew neck sweater. This is a crew neck sweater, or you can just call it a sweater, and it has long sleeves. These are sleeves, and they'll cover your arms when it gets really cold. Now, what kind of top is this? This is called a hoodie. Hoodie. It's called a hoodie because it has a hood that will cover your head and keep it nice and warm. And this is another type of hoodie. That one is gray, and this one is navy blue, but this hoodie has a zipper, so I can unzip it or I can zip it up. Now, can you guys tell me what this top is called? It has long sleeves and it has a different type of material. This is called a jacket, but specifically a denim jacket or a jean jacket. A jacket is outerwear for warmth or style. I don't think this would keep me warm during the winter time, but it definitely is stylish. This is a jean jacket, and this is another type of jacket. This is a leather jacket. Both of these are stylish jackets. This is another type of jacket. Now you guys know that there are different types of jackets, like a denim jacket, a leather jacket, but this jacket is a rain jacket. Rain jacket. This rain jacket is waterproof, so when it rains, you won't get wet. This is another type of top. It's called a tank top. This is a mannequin and he is wearing a white tank top. But below the tank top, he is also wearing a t-shirt. This t-shirt has sleeves, but a tank top is a sleeveless top, so you won't see any sleeves. Now I'm upstairs in the women's section because I will teach you guys some more tops. What is this called? This is a blouse. It's a looser and more dressy top for women, and it has pink flowers on it. This is another type of top. It's called a crop top because it'll end right above my belly button. And this is another type of crop top, but it's a t-shirt crop top. I'm right next to bottoms. Bottoms are what we wear on the lower part of our body. These are pants. They cover your legs, but specifically, these are called jeans. Jeans. Jeans are casual pants made from denim. And over here, they have different fits and styles of jeans. They have super skinny jeans. These are really tight jeans. They have a high-rise skinny, which is basically a high-waisted jean, so it'll probably reach right above my belly button. And then they have the regular skinny jean, which is just a tight jean. And then over here, they have different styles of the straight jeans. So they have a high-rise slim straight, which is just a high-waisted straight leg jean. And then over here, they have a baggy jean, which is loose through the hip and thigh. And then they have more styles of jeans like the boyfriend jean, a flare jean, high-rise boot cut, and another shaping boot cut. And a boot cut is basically where the jean will flare out so you can wear boots. What do you call these? These are shorts. These are kind of like pants, but they'll end right above the knee. These are called short shorts because they are pretty short. These are Bermuda shorts. Bermuda shorts. These are shorts that'll reach right above the knee or just below them. This is a skirt. I am wearing a skirt, and it's a piece of clothing that hangs from the waist. This is the waist. Skirts are mostly worn by women and girls. This is a mini skirt. It's called a mini skirt because it's really short. This is a midi skirt. Midi skirts because it'll go below your knee, but it won't reach the floor or touch your ankles. And then this is a maxi skirt. Maxi skirt because it'll reach my ankles and almost touch the floor. These are leggings. Leggings. These are tight-fitting pants that are often stretchy because you can work out in them. These are sweatpants. Sweatpants. These are kind of like leggings, but these are not so tight on your body. These are just loose and comfortable pants. These are joggers. They're kind of like sweatpants, but they're different because they're a little bit thicker. Joggers have an elastic band by the ankles, whereas sweatpants will just flare out. Now that I've taught you guys the different kinds of tops and bottoms, to complete an outfit, you can't forget about shoes. These are shoes. This is a shoe. So a shoe is basically anything you wear on your feet. And specifically, this is called a gym shoe or a sneaker. And when you put on closed-toed shoes like gym shoes or sneakers, don't forget to wear socks. These are socks and they will keep your feet nice and warm and comfortable. What are these called? These are called sandals or slides. Sandals or slides, and these are open-toed shoes. Now I'm in the women's shoe section. Over here, these are boots. Boots. So these are shoes that will cover your foot, your ankle, and sometimes will even extend up your leg. This shoe section also has heels. Heels are shoes with an elevated heel that will make you taller. And you'll normally wear heels on formal occasions like to a dance or a dinner party. This store also has slippers. These are slippers and these are comfortable indoor shoes that you'll only use inside your house. These are kind of similar to slides, but these are closed-toed shoes. That means when you wear these shoes, you won't see your toes. Whereas slides, your toes can move freely around. What are these called? These are called flip-flops because these flip-flops have a strap that'll go in between your toes. I just left the shoe section, but did you guys know to enhance your outfit, you can wear items or carry items to complement your outfit or to enhance your outfit? And these items are called accessories. Accessories. Some accessories include a purse. This is a purse. Sunglasses. Over here, they have different types of colors and kinds of sunglasses. You can also use a watch. A watch will tell time, and it's also used as an accessory. Another way to elevate your look is wearing a hat. This specifically is called a baseball cap, and it'll go on your head like that. And they also have different kinds of hats, like a baseball cap, a sun hat, or a beanie or a winter hat. You can also accessorize your look by wearing earrings on your ears, a bracelet on your wrist, and also a necklace around your neck. By the way, I found this beautiful necklace from a jewelry company from Japan called Biwako. I love how this pearl has a red bead on it. It simply just elevates a normal, regular look. For example, I'm just wearing a crop top and a skirt, and it makes me feel chic and beautiful. This gift would be great for anybody, for your mom, a sister, or even for yourself. If you like this necklace, you can check out the website down below in the description box. Now, before leaving the store, can you guys guess these last clothing items? What is this called? This is a one-piece outfit. It's called a one-piece jumpsuit. Jumpsuit. And this is a denim jumpsuit. What is this called? This is a two-piece swimsuit, or you can say a two-piece bikini. Bikini. What am I wearing? I am wearing a vest, and this is also a vest. It's actually the same vest. It has a zipper and a collar, and a vest has no sleeves. What is this called? This is a dress. Dress. It's a one-piece garment that will hang over your body, and it'll reach down to your knees or all the way to the ground. What are these called? These are called PJs or pajamas. Pajamas, and this is a two-piece set, so you have a top and a bottom. I'm not wearing a jacket or a coat. What is this called? This is called a robe. Robe, and you normally would use a robe if you get out of the shower because it'll keep you nice and warm. What is this outfit called? This is called a suit. Suit. So you have a jacket, a tie, a long-sleeved shirt with buttons down the front, dress pants, and then dress shoes. Okay, everybody, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Go ahead and let me know down below what place you guys would like me to visit next to teach all of you guys English vocabulary. Go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!